Transferring points from Avion to Avios is a straightforward process that can help you maximize your rewards and travel benefits. To begin, you need to understand the basics of both programs. Avion is a loyalty program offered by RBC Royal Bank, while Avios is the rewards currency used by several airlines, including British Airways. First, ensure you have an Avion account and an Avios account, such as a British Airways Executive Club account. If you do not have an Avios account, you can sign up for one on the British Airways website. Once you have both accounts, you can start the transfer process. To transfer points, log into your Avion account and navigate to the rewards section. Look for the option to transfer points to partner programs and select Avios as the transfer partner. You will then be prompted to enter your Avios account details, including your account number and password. The transfer ratio is typically 1 Avion point to 1 Avios point, although this may vary depending on the specific promotion or offer. It is essential to check the transfer ratio before initiating the transfer to ensure you are getting the best value for your points. Once you have entered your Avios account details and confirmed the transfer ratio, you can initiate the transfer. The points should be transferred to your Avios account within a few days, although the exact timeframe may vary. It is crucial to note that transferred points are subject to the terms and conditions of the Avios program, including any applicable expiration dates or redemption rules. To get the most value from your points, consider transferring them to Avios when you have a specific redemption in mind, such as booking a flight or upgrading to a higher class of service. In summary, transferring points from Avion to Avios is a simple process that can help you unlock more travel, rewards and benefits. By following these steps and understanding the transfer ratio and terms, you can make the most of your loyalty program points and enjoy more flexible and rewarding travel options.